So I welcome you all to the review of Quizify. Now, this is the most powerful viral traffic and lead generation system which will help you to get a good sum of free buyer traffic to your affiliate offer, or if you are a blogger, if you're a freelancer, you're an advertiser or any SEO expert and you're required to have a good sum of buyer traffic or a traffic on your website onto your affiliate links, then you should go forward and look to Quizify. You don't have monthly fees, you don't have any extra expenses, and it's a true business in a box and no manual work. So, if we move forward, you're going to have the tested and proven viral traffic and lead generation software. You're going to have 100% or 100 plus DFY campaigns which are ready to make sales instantly. You don't have to wait or learn anything for this. You can generate a revolutionary profit in any niche in just one click. You don't require to have any website or email list. Free commercial license is also included, and this is a 100% cloud based app, so there is nothing to install or download here. So finally, you can achieve the financial freedom with this software. Now, if you are an affiliate marketer, you are required to have a good sum of traffic, and that is being shared by Quizify. If you are a blogger, on your website you require a traffic, or if you are an advertiser, you require a traffic. So for each and everyone, those who work into this online business requires a good free buyer traffic, and that's been shared in Quizify. So if we move forward, you have three steps which will help you to get targeted traffic and build your dream buyer list. First of all, you need to log into your Quizify app. Second step is choose from 100 DFY campaigns, or you can build your own campaigns with your logo and branding. Third thing is receive an free buyer traffic and hot leads pouring for you day by day, and be prepared to generate the jaw-dropping result like this. I mean, this is a ClickBank results which will help you to generate this type of sales. After that, you have a super intuitive and extremely user-friendly software which helps you to create interactive quiz, poll, and survey in minutes. No matter what type of quiz you want to create, you can do this within a minutes. And second thing is you have 100 plus campaigns in hottest niche to start from. And third thing is you have siphoned hordes of free viral traffic and top converting leads. In just one click, share your viral quiz or pool to anyone in the social media, websites, or even via email, and you can drive the targeted traffic to your affiliate links or to your website, anything which you want. Because of this, the audience will be engaged and your sales will be increasing. Second thing is video quiz builder with player customization to skyrocket the conversions. After that, you have free commercial license, so you can sell the traffic and lead services to other struggling marketers. You don't have any monthly fees, you just have to pay one-time fee. So as we have come to this point, I just want to tell you that if you want to buy Quizify at a very discounted price, just check out the link in the description, first link in the description, and once you buy it from my link, just send me the payment screenshot on my Instagram. The link of the Instagram handle is also in the description. And after you send me the payment screenshot, I will send you the free bonus from my side, which will help you to enhance your online business journey or online business marketing journey. So this bonus is from my side, and plus you're getting 4 to 5 bonuses from QZFi as well. So we will discuss about that later. Let's move on. So it works on every website and landing page, no matter what type of niche you are working in or no matter what type of landing page you have. So this thing is all about the owner. You have, if you have tried all the paid ads, social media, blogging, SEO, and making videos, but anything did work for you, then you should definitely look after QZFi. After that, traffic plus leads help you to get more and more sales. That is the truth. And instead of wasting more sum of money by using the paid ads and all type of things which are losing your money, you should look after this software. You can generate this type of results which are really easy to generate with QZFi. So after that, if we move on, we can generate a good sum of higher quality leads, viral traffic flood, and game changing conversions and dream profits. Because quizzes and polls are the very engaging method which can help you to generate a good sum of affiliate offers, or also it will help you to engage the audience on your website. After that, if we have is If you look upon to any other softwares for quiz building, you need to pay a good amount of money for them. But in Quizify, you get it at a very discounted price. Plus, you are getting the $3 discount once you buy it from my link given in the description. So this is simple. Log in, choose, and then you have the profit running into your pocket. You're not required to have any paid ads. You're no writing, blogging, no SEO, no making videos, no manual labor, no monthly fees. I mean, this is like a one time very much best opportunity for which you should go for. You have traffic, you have leads, you have everything over here. So the granddaddy of all traffic and list building apps for 2021, Quizify. And after that, if we move on, I will come up with the demo video of Quizify on my channel. You can check out the demo video of Quizify as well. Quizify is loaded with groundbreaking technology packed into one easy to use dashboard. You can create traffic and lead pulling quizzes, 100% GFY campaigns. We have discussed all these things before, and you have a quick start training material. So you have everything done for you. You just need to follow their steps. And as I told you, this is cloud based. Now, these are the reviews which people have experienced. They are saying it's very easy, user friendly, and powerful. It's an engaging way to collect the feedback on anything, and it's a flexible survey tool with amazing UI. So yeah, so if you buy it from my link, access Qzify for $197, but you are getting it at only $17. It's a one-time price, so you should definitely check this out. And instead of wasting your money, yeah. So this is for newbies, experienced marketers, students, website owners, affiliate marketers, and entrepreneurs. This is for social media marketers, for product creators, list builders, everyone those who are looking forward to have a good sum of audience. So yeah, Qzify is the best way. No matter if you are a complete newbie or an experienced marketer, Qzify gives you a chance to make pro level profits. So do check out the link in the description and hurry up. The price is increasing. You can buy it at just $17, and plus you are getting $3 discount on this. So yeah, only $14, man. You should not let this opportunity go. You have 30-day money back guarantee. So do check out the link in the description. Bye bye.